Hi, I'm Shelly and I live in a building in White Rock, very old building, and I am a council member.
What system did the building have before the upgrade?
So we had the original system, which I think was about 54 years old, the kind where people buzz in and then you had to have a landline and run to your phone to press a button to let them in. I didn't find it very safe. It was so basic.
What problems and limitation you had with the old system?
With the old system, we didn't have any access to anything. All we could do was say hello and buzz a person in. We couldn't see them. Someone could say they were the police or they could say they were Amazon delivery, but we couldn't see them. And you don't really know who it is. If we were outside of the building, at work, shopping, and someone was trying to buzz in, we wouldn't know. We would have no idea. So you missed a lot of deliveries and such. It was annoying.
What changed after the upgrade?
Oh, everything. Um, we now have a nice looking panel at the front door that does facial recognition, so you don't need keys to actually get in the building. If you're in the system, if you're an owner or a renter, we are able to get calls on our phone from the Intercom system, and when you answer it, you can actually see in real life the person that's ringing you. So you know if they say they're Amazon, you can see that they're Amazon, and then you just accept and let them in. And then if I'm at work and someone buzzes me and it's another delivery company, again, I can answer it, I can see exactly who it is, and I can let them in. I could be anywhere and I can let them in and give them instructions to just leave it at my door. The other thing is, oh yeah, security. So important. We've had a few times now where people have come to the building in the middle of the night and just start buzzing everybody trying to get in the building. And because we can see who it is, we just didn't let them in and called the police. So yay for that. We also have fobs, which is fabulous. So let's say I have a visitor staying with me for 3 days. I can give them a fob and they just go to the front and they just tap their fob and in they come. Super convenient. And also the old key that we used for the building for the locks, we can still use those. So let's say there's a power outage and we don't have the fob on us, but we have our key, we can still easily get into the building. Oh, and we also have the ability to open our underground garage door from our phones, which is awesome if you lose your fob or it dies, or you need to let somebody in, you're at work and they're visiting you and they're gonna park in the underground. You can open the underground door and let them in. It's an amazing system.
How has the transition for the residents?
Oh, it was pretty simple. WeTech had a meeting for us in the lobby. Everyone was invited with plenty of notice so that they could be set up with the facial recognition and taught how to use it, which, I mean, it's really intuitive. For those that couldn't make it, I learned how to do it, and I would do it for them and teach them going forward what to do. I also have admin access, so I can see all of the logs. I can change the names, say a renter moves out or an owner sells. From in there, I can change information so it remains relative and up to date. Very simple. So with the old system, we had a key, one key to get into the building. That was our only option. So if you lost it, that's a problem. They're actually expensive to replace. And now we have the facial recognition, we have the Bluetooth, we have the fob, and we have the key. So it covers everything.
Is having a multiple entry option is important in Strata?
Yeah, it's really important, especially since we do have people that do rent suites in here. We find that it's just so much easier to set them up, whether they want the facial recognition or they just want to use a fob or they just want to use a key. They have all those options. And we also find that they're less likely to be contacting Strata Council for help because they lost a key, or I mean, on occasion, the actual key lock itself would malfunction and then you couldn't get in the building. Then we had to wait for a specialist to come out to fix it. This way, we have two other options, facial recognition and the fob, to get in the building. So we're not being locked out, which is obviously very important. So another great option that we have is if someone doesn't have a cell phone, or they have difficulties using a cell phone, or they feel unsafe having facial recognition, some people do, they have the landline still. They can still use a landline, so they can set it up, or I can set it up for them to just answer their phone, press a button, and let the person in just like before.
How has your experience been with the WeTech Security?
We had the system we had the system installed probably just over a year ago, and everything has gone so smoothly. We have had a couple of people move out and new people move in, and I've been able to set them up so quickly and easily. Everybody really loves it. I've gotten some excellent feedback. Nobody complains.
Would you recommend WeTech Security to another Strata considering an upgrade, and why?
Oh, WeTech is so awesome. They've been fabulous since day one. They were here on site when they said they were going to be, and they worked from early morning until quite late in the evening. I think it was almost 9 o'clock, determined to get the system in that day, even though we could have access still with our key. No, they wanted to get it done. They wanted to get it done right. They wanted it to look good and clean, and they did. I think they're awesome.